Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge token. Remember, Shibadoge developers have actually promised us that Shibadoge will soon get listed on crypto.com, on get.io, and Lbank. Now, one thing for sure, if Shibadoge get listed on get.io, we are going to experience a massive increase in price, on market cap, on price. Remember, Get.io are one of the top crypto exchanges. We can never underrate what they can do for Shibadoge. Yes, they can push the price of Shibadoge to really hit a massive level. Get.io, what I like this exchange is that so many crypto investors and traders always buy coins on Get.io earlier, because they always list coins earlier than Binance, earlier than Coinbase, earlier than so many top crypto exchange, especially Get.io and Kucoin. That is one thing I love about these two exchanges. Now, it is a good news for us that Shibadoge developers are now promising that this exchanges is going to list Shibadoge soon, and when that happens, of course, I'm expecting an increase in price for Shibadoge. It will be a plus for Shibadoge. You're getting an extra like Get.io listing Shibadoge. And one important thing you need to understand is so many coins that Get.io and Kucoin have actually listed before, they always get listed on Binance and on Coinbase. Yes, that is one statistic about this. When the coin Shibadoge, Get.io and Kucoin, these two crypto exchange, especially when they list a particular coin, after a few months you see that coin getting listed on Binance and on Kucoin. So getting Shibadoge listed by Get.io, I believe very soon we might be seeing top exchanges coming in to work to partner with Shibadoge, which will eventually add more value to Shibadoge, which will eventually promote Shibadoge, because we are going to gain more community, more investors, and more market cap, and the price increase. That is what we are hoping for. That is what we really want to see Shibadoge keep increasing, keep pumping. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Now, let's hope that Get.io will finalize this. Get.io will accept and will support Shibadoge greatly, just like the way they have been supporting other crypto coins.